All right, so here's a look at our week. I hope you're all remembering to log in through the BPS login. That is the only way you can do it to get credit for. So you can use this bit.ly here and you can log right into the hub. Here is my contact information if you need anything. These are the ways you can get a hold of me. We're scrolled on to the yellow. It's the week of April 27th through May 1. I'm really sorry that we're not going back to school, but it's what's best for everybody right now. So we're going to stay at home and finish out the school year. Assignments this week. I'm only having you do one thing this week. It's a short week. We don't have school on Friday or next Monday. So I wanted to just give you one thing to do and then ask you to use your time to catch up on missing work. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to read and edit your topic paragraph from last week. And you are going to then add a rough draft for paragraph 1. This is body paragraph 1, so that's why it says that. And then once you have that rough draft finished, you're going to submit that to me. And then you can use your other days to catch up on missing work. Go ahead, log in to Infinite Campus, see what's missing, or go to the Google Classroom page and go to classwork and see what you might not have gotten done yet. All right. Assignments are going to be graded on Sunday, May 3rd by 5 p.m. If you need help, please, please, please reach out. Talk to me. I'm here and I want to help. All right. I hope you're all well. Take care.